Hello and welcome to Dr. Varsha Gaitonde's channel. Here I am going to discuss about World Fish Stalwart Women who bagged 2021 World Food Prize by addressing the hunger and malnutrition. So it is a proud moment to every Indian that in the two consecutive years, that is in the year 2020 as well as 2021, two Indian originate or Indian descent scientists bagged the World Food Prize. In the year 2021, Dr. Shakuntala Harak Singh Thilsted got a food prize for her groundbreaking research in developing holistic nutrition sensitive approaches to aquaculture and food system. Similarly, in the year 2020, Dr. Ratanlal got the same for mainstreaming a soil centric approach to increase the food production that restores and conserves natural resources and mitigate the climate change. So, why the food prize is given? Food prize is related to agriculture and world food. As you know, there are 17 UN Sustainable Development Goals and 3 are very important for our agriculture or in the agriculture perspectives. The first one is poverty, addressing poverty, that is the first goal of UN. Then second is zero hunger, that is addressing hunger and malnutrition, and the 13th one, that is mitigating the climate change. These three we should remember. The World Food Prize, about it if we talk, it is considered as Nobel Prize of Agriculture. If I'll tell you a short history about this World Food Prize, this was initially a brainchild of Dr. Norman Borlaug, who got 1970s World Nobel Prize for in the section of peace. But he was considered about the nutrition and agriculture perspectives, so he discussed with many of the food stalwarts and decided to make this into a successful thing. Then, first time in the year 1987, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, who is of Indian scientist who made green revolution or brought green revolution in India, got the first World Food Prize. Okay, so the award aims to recognize the achievements made in the field of food and agriculture. The awardee should contribute with a demonstrable increase in the quantity, availability, or access to food for a large number of people to achieve this honor. If I talk about Dr. Thilsted or Dr. Shakuntala Thilsted, she is a global nutrition expert of Indian descent, as I already told. She has won the prize for her groundbreaking achieve in nutrition sensitive approaches of aquaculture. So she is from Trinidad and Tobago. These are the islands of Caribbean land. And after that she became citizen of Denmark also. She bagged the title that first women of Asian heritage who got this World Food Prize, as well as the seventh women to be awarded this particular prize. She is the global lead for nutrition and public health at World Fish, that is a CGIAR research center headquartered at Malaysia. Her work guides World Fish, other research institutions, major funders, government agencies, public and private organizations to work together to reshape food system to deliver on the UN Sustainable Development Goals. So, to encourage you, let me tell the short story of Thilsted, Dr. Thilsted. She is from a small island. She began her career as first and the only woman stationed in Tobago's Ministry of Agriculture, Lands and Fisheries. Later on, she was working with International Center for Diarrhea Disease Research in Bangladesh. While working in this research station only, she developed this particular idea of addressing the hunger and malnutrition. There, she established a kitchen garden at the Malnutrition Rehabilitation Center where more than 6,000 children were admitted every year. She later began her research in the role of fish and aquaculture, working with international organizations like UNICEF, UN's International Fund for Agriculture and Development, that is IFAD, then World Bank, and since 2010, it is with World Fish. She also holds leadership role in the United Nations Food Systems Summit 2021 and high-level panel of experts on food security and nutrition. Let us see her silent achievements. First of all, what she did, as I already discussed, she started with kitchen gardens. Then she started looking towards the small water bodies, ponds, and rice fields. In these fields, what she encouraged small fishes and diversification in fish species. As you know, fishes are consumed in different forms, maybe in wet form or in dry forms. If dry forms are consumed, they can be stored for a longer time, can be exported and kept or stored in a better way. Even the wet fish can be stored if there are deep freezers or refrigerators. Like that, her idea is to demonstrate the things how to culture the fishes in polycultures, means with different other maybe with agriculture or with diversified number of fishes and all those kinds. She demonstrated, she made people to understand about the fish culture, their nutritional perspectives, and she caught women and children. Her basic focus was women, children, as well as the vulnerable people of the society. Likewise, she made awareness in different countries, especially in the continents like Africa, Asia, and Pacific. Along with that, she made several other things like she went for different publications, she met different famous personalities worldwide, and likewise she tried to give knowledge of this to different populations, means different kinds of groups in the different societies. So let's hope for more and more innovative works like this in our societies to conserve nature and natural resources for future generations with a hope to combat climate mitigation. How I can tell that it is addressing the climate change also, because whenever we are encouraging the fish culture, fishes love to be in fresh water. When fresh water is there, means less pollution. Likewise, she encouraged the reduced climate change as well as nutritional perspectives as well as the diversified agriculture and different cultures. Okay, that's all about Dr. Shakuntala Thilsted and 2021 World Food Prize. To boost your knowledge, in the same year 2021, there are no Wolf Prizes awarded to the field of agriculture. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, keep it in the comment section. Thank you once again.